Have you ever wondered if that expensive collagen supplement you're taking is actually doing anything for your skin? Or if you're just creating very expensive urine? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind collagen and whether it's a miracle worker or just marketing magic. Let's start with what collagen actually is. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your skin together. It's the most abundant protein in your body, making up about 30% of all your proteins. Your skin is basically a collagen factory, constantly producing this structural protein to keep everything firm, plump, and youthful looking. But here's where things get interesting. As we age, our natural collagen production starts declining around age 25. By the time you hit 40, you're producing about half the collagen you did in your 20s. This is why you start noticing fine lines, sagging, and that general loss of bounce in your skin. Now, the collagen industry wants you to believe that popping a pill or mixing powder into your smoothie will magically restore your skin to its former glory. But does the science actually back this up? Here's the brutal truth about oral collagen supplements. When you consume collagen, your digestive system doesn't just send it directly to your face, like some kind of skin GPS. Instead, it breaks down the collagen into individual amino acids, just like any other protein you eat. These amino acids then get distributed throughout your entire body, based on what your body decides it needs most. So that expensive marine collagen powder might end up building muscle tissue, repairing your gut lining, or strengthening your bones instead of plumping your cheeks. Your body has its own priorities, and unfortunately, vanity isn't one of them. However, before you throw your collagen supplements in the trash, there is some promising research. Several studies have shown that certain types of collagen peptides can actually improve skin hydration, elasticity, and even reduce wrinkle depth. The key is that these studies used specific types of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, not just any random collagen supplement from your local health store. The most compelling research focused on collagen peptides that are small enough to potentially survive digestion and signal your skin cells to produce more collagen naturally. It's like sending a message to your skin saying, "Hey, remember when you used to make tons of collagen? Maybe start doing that again." But here's what nobody in the supplement industry wants to tell you. You can support collagen production naturally through your diet and lifestyle choices. Vitamin C is absolutely crucial for collagen synthesis, so loading up on citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens is essential. Zinc, found in nuts and seeds, also plays a vital role. Protecting existing collagen is equally important. Sun exposure, smoking, and excessive sugar consumption are collagen destroyers. Wearing sunscreen daily and maintaining a balanced diet will probably do more for your skin than any supplement. So does collagen actually fix your skin? The answer is nuanced. High-quality collagen peptides might provide some benefits, but they're not the fountain of youth that marketing claims suggest. Focus on a holistic approach, combining good nutrition, sun protection, and realistic expectations. Your wallet and your skin will thank you for the honest approach, rather than chasing expensive promises.